Hello everybody, this time we have a BMW and the problem is, let's try to start the engine and wrap up the engines, and as you can see, cranking but no starting. Let's go inside and see what the fault codes is. We already connected to the system, read fault codes, and you have BMW, yes, this 4A63 EFS tempering. It's probably full Google with this fault code. What you have to do basically is just go back, go out of the functions, and you go to select special functions. Go in drive, and then you have DDE CAS adjustment, and establish the following condition of the vehicle: switch off or no on ignition, turn engine off after all the condition has been proceeded on the vehicle. Operate next. So we go continued. Communication with the control unit is checked in the next test steps. Let's click